Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, October 10th, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. Starting this week, we're going to change the update briefly. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. We're going to focus now going forward on just three key metrics: our inventory, our buyer activity, and our average selling price. All of the charts for price reductions, new escrows, new listings, all that will be online, so you can always get that online at www.themondayminute.com. But we're going to keep the video a little bit shorter going forward. So let's start with looking at inventory. We had been flat for most of the summer. After a rise at the beginning of the year, we're starting to see a slight increase in inventory once again. This week up 3.4% to 1,836 homes for sale. The last, I'd say, 5 weeks, we've seen a continual increase week by week. We'll be keeping an eye on that going forward. If we continue with the current trend, we could be at 2,100 homes available for sale by the end of the year. Our buyer activity, evidenced by the new escrow activity, that's up 32.4% to 98 this week, so that's a little bit higher than last week. But we've been consistently in that 100 or below range now for most of the year. And if you've been following this update, you know that's about half where we were last year this time. So inventory is increasing, buyer activity is down right now. Our average selling prices, those last week were up 9.8% to $665,833. So if you've watched this update from the beginning of the year, our average selling prices were still creeping up week by week by week, but now they've stabilized and we're seeing a few weeks where they're dropping a bit. So we're going to keep an eye on that going forward. So what's happening in the market? A little bit of uncertainty, inventory going up, buyer activity down, partly because of rising interest rates, home prices stabilizing. We're still in a slight seller's market, but we could by the end of the year move back into more balanced markets. We'll have more on that every week. If you're thinking about selling, it's still a good time to get top dollar. Call me, 760-625-7229. Let me talk to you about how to best position your home in this market and get the best selling price. If you're a buyer, we're seeing more options every week as more homes come on the market. Start your home search online on our website at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. And then, of course, all the charts, including the ones we're no longer going over on the video, they're online at www.themondayminute.com. So thanks for joining me. Come back every week for the Monday Minute.